Hello and welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to show you that how you can install Ubuntu 11.4 in VMware Workstation. Okay, so it's a oldest version ever. So this version is very old and all support and conditions are expired for this version. So let's go to install this version. Okay, 11.4. Okay, so let's open the VMware Workstation. Okay, I can see I have already created so many machines. Let's create new machine. Okay, so click on file and go to the new virtual machine. Okay, and now I'll go with recommended typical. Okay, click next, and here I will install operating system later. I have checked this option and next, and here I have to select the OS type of versions. Okay, so I'll select the Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, and I'll go next. Here I have to select the where I want to restore this location. Okay, the file location, the image location, the VM location. So let's browse it and let me settle this quickly. Virtual VMware. Here I create a new folder called Ubuntu 11.4. Okay, 11.4 and enter. Okay, now I have created a new folder and okay, I select. Now you can see I have and here you can change the name. Okay, let's suppose Ubuntu 11.04. Okay, here I click next. Now you can see the maximum disk space is asked for 820 GB and make sure click here store virtual disk in a single file. So make sure the you store the virtual disk in a single file. Okay, or virtual disk. Okay, so single file. Next, here you can customize your hardware. Let's go to customize hardware, and here I give 4 GB memory, processor core, and here this is the most important part, new CD DVD. Here I have to select the ISO image. If you already download the ISO image, it's very good, and if you don't have to if you don't download, so you can download. I have already created a video. Okay, you can go with the video. Okay, so you can download it. Okay, so I have already downloaded. So if you don't have to, let's see, I have this one. Okay, Ubuntu 11.4 alternate AMD. Okay, so I'll select it and close it. Now I have attached the OS. Okay, and let's finish. Now you can see I have created a Ubuntu 11.4 64-bit. Okay, so let's turn on this machine and configure further configuration. Okay, it asks me for language. Okay, so I'll go with English. Okay, it asks me for installation to install Ubuntu or other options. There are many other options, so I'll click install Ubuntu. Okay, it's not a very big OS, so it finishes quickly. Okay, it asks for me the language, so I'll go with United States English. Okay, try to go back. No, USA. USA. Okay. Okay, continue. Host name Ubuntu. Okay, if you want to change, you can change. I'll go with Ubuntu. Okay, so continue. It asked me for physical presence location, Asia, Kolkata. Okay, this is the correct location. Yes. Okay, it asked me for the guidance. Okay, so guided use entire disk, use entire disk and NVMe setup. So I'll go with use entire disk. Okay, so this is I have already given this disk. Okay, let's see. Write changes and disk, and the following partition are going to formatted. No, and write the change to this. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now you can see properly. Okay, so it asked me for username. Okay, so I'll put the username Raj. This is my username, and continue. Set up the username and password. Okay, continue. Choose a new password. Okay, I have put my password. Confirm the password. Okay, I have confirmed the password. The system will seamlessly mount your encrypted home directory each time you log in and automatically unmount log out of all active sessions. Encrypt your home directory. I'll go with no. It asks me for go back. Configure this. It asking for install the grub bootloader to the master boot recorder. Okay, I'll say yes. Finish the installation. System clock generally set the ordinary universally operating system. Okay, so click yes. Continue. Okay, so now you can see I have successfully installed. Okay, now you can see I have successfully installed 11.4. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for being here. And if you want to manage your resolution, you can manage by going to the setting, and you can manage this resolution. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Okay, bye.